Good afternoon, my dear students. So in the last video we discussed about the composite material, and I told you composite material is not a single material but it is a combination of two different materials. One is reinforcement, it is in the form of fibers, particles, okay, and another is matrix material. Generally it is in the liquid phase or liquid form. So what we do, we add reinforced material into the matrix material. Okay, now we have to discuss the classification of the composite material. So broadly it is classified first based on the matrix material and secondly based on the reinforced material. Okay, now first we have to discuss based on the matrix material. Metal matrix composites. What is that is known as metal matrix composites, and what is the short form? MMC. Second one, ceramic metal composites. What is the short form? CMC. And third one, polymer matrix composites, PMC. Okay, now we have to discuss MMC. Okay, MMC means it is metal matrix composite. So here the matrix material is aluminium, magnesium, ferrous, copper, etc. So in that matrix material we add the reinforced material, and reinforced material is in the form of fibers, and that is made of lead tungsten material. Okay, so what are the properties? Higher specific strength, stiffness, higher operating temperature, low thermal expansion, greater wear resistance, etc. Applications means what? Where they are used? They are used in making piston for diesel engines, brake components, turbine components, etc. Okay, now second, CMC, ceramic metal composites. In this, matrix material is ceramic only. Matrix material is ceramic, that is carbon, silicon carbide and aluminum oxide. So in this matrix material we add the reinforced material, that is ceramic fibers. Okay, what are the properties? Good corrosion resistance, high compression strength, okay, then high thermal conductivity, etc. Uses: brakes of aeroplanes, in racing cars, nose of the aeroplane, boiler feed water pumps, cutting tools, heat exchangers, etc. And third one, PMC. In this, the matrix is the organic polymer. What is the matrix material? Organic polymer resin. It is in the liquid form, and that organic polymer may be thermostat or thermoplastic material, and in that material we add the fibers of glass, that is reinforced material. So what are the properties? High strength and stiffness, weight less, corrosion resistance, etc. Applications, that is uses: parts of motor blades, satellite structure, marine applications like boat parts, car body panel, engine components, bridge columns, storage tanks, etc. Now B category, based on the reinforced material, fiber reinforced composites. In this type, the reinforced material is in the form of fibers, and therefore it is known as fiber reinforced composite. A fiber may be made of carbon fibers or glass fibers. They are of three types. Okay, you see here, these are the continuous fibers, these are discontinuous fibers, and these are discontinuous and randomly oriented fibers. Now see here, the direction of the fibers are in this along the y-axis, and therefore they are strong in the y-axis. Okay, here also they are strong in y direction, therefore they show good properties along this axis, y-axis, and here they are randomly oriented, therefore they are strong in y direction also and x direction also. Okay. Now next, particulate composites. They are used in the manufacture of high speed cutting tool materials, piston cylinders and engine. You see here the matrix material, in the matrix small particles are added and therefore these are known as particulate composites. Okay. Thank you.